Hi everyone, now this is Infiniti Q50 and car won't start. It has these two complaints on cluster, the two warnings: chassis system fault and key system fault. And when we scan the car, these are the faults: communication faults in the engine control module, the cluster. You can see other faults. They are all about CAN communication, and some control modules will not communicate, like ABS, air conditioning, transmission. They are not communicating. Passive parking assist and chassis control also is not communicating. And the issue for this is the battery in the trunk. Always don't go for any other issue before checking the battery in the trunk. It's a major fault, like common fault on this Q50 Infiniti. I hope this helps. Thanks.